Hi and welcome to Browser Pilot AI. Before you get into the membership area, I just want to give you one quick option of another extension, and this is a really simple app as well. It's one of my favorites because it's so quick and easy. This is called Vibe Check, and it allows you to quickly check the tonality and pace of your content and reframe it to a different pitch or purpose in whatever way you want. Okay, let's have a quick look at an example because it does make a lot more sense when you see it. This is my Browser Pilot demo text page. The one I think works best on this is the KDP book research, and all we're going to do is, as always, just highlight all the text that we're interested in wherever it is on any browser page. I'm going to right click, and this time instead of using AI Where You Work Repurpose, we're going to go down to AI Where You Work Vibe Check This, click on the link. It takes a moment or two and it will come up with the check for this particular vibe, and it will tell you what the tone is. So in this case, it's informative and encouraging, emphasizing the simplicity and benefits of small space gardening for beginners. So it's really useful to get an idea of what the tone and the vibe of the piece of content that you're looking at is. However, more importantly, down the bottom, we have some options, and this is an early version. You'll have the ability to add new vibes and tones in here to tweak it to exactly what you want. But let's go with make it playful and let it go away and do its work. And all it's going to do is rewrite that to make it a more playful tone. And if I scroll down, you can see, for instance, now it's saying gardening is all the rage for us busy bees looking for a fun way to unwind, slow down and get your hands dirty. But many of us feel overwhelmed. Where do we start with our tiny apartments, lack of time and fear of killing every plant in sight? You can see it's more light-hearted and playful tone to it. Or we could equally use polish or make it more confident. And as I said, these are the default options in there. You will have the option to add in your own vibes as well. So let's scroll down and just run another quick example. This is a social post, and all I need to do, again, highlight it, right click, choose Vibe Check This. It comes up, it processes the information to check the vibe. The tone of this text is informative and practical. Instead of playful, let's go with polish it. Give it a moment or two, and while it's processing, you can see how quick this is to run. There we go, it's already finished. And now we've got a more polished version of this underneath that's rewritten that we can use straight away. That's all there is to Vibe Check. You get 3 default modes included with the extension, but you'll be able to add your own to tailor it to exactly what you need as well. Remember, this is an add-on offer only available to Browser Pilot AI customers. So this is your chance to grab this at a one-off special. Grab it now, add it to your order, and I'll see you in the members area.